Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the FullHD. So, Oppo launched their another new smartphone. Oppo announced the A93 last October in 2020 with a Helio P95 SoC and a 6.43-inch AMOLED screen. And today, the company followed it up with a successor called it Oppo A94. The Oppo A94 is also powered by the Helio P95 SoC and packs a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen like its predecessor, the Oppo A93, but it runs the Android 11 based on the ColorOS 11.1 out of the box. The A94 has 8 gigs of RAM and a 128 gig storage on board, although it also comes with a microSD card slot for storage expansion. For photography, the Oppo A94 come with a total 5 cameras, a 32 megapixel selfie shooter inside the screen with a 48 megapixel primary camera on the back, joined by ultra-wide macro and a monochrome unit. Oppo has not specified that the megapixel count of the ultra-wide macro and microchroma model, but the ultra-wide unit likely has a 8 megapixel camera, whereas a macro and a macrochrome could have a 2 megapixel cameras. The Oppo A94 come with a AI color portrait video, monochrome video, and a dual view video feature we have seen on some of the recent mid-range Oppo smartphone. It also features AI scene enhancement 2.0, which automatically recognize 20 type of scenes and enhance their color and saturation. Fueling the entire package is 4310 mAh battery with a 30-watt charging. The rest of the Oppo A94 feature including 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Oppo A94 is 7.8mm thin, weight 172 grams, and is offered in a two color, black and purple. Oppo UAE has listed the smartphone on this official website, but the company has not revealed its pricing and availability at the time of this video. That said, a few days ago, reliable leak star Even Blast revealed an Oppo smartphone codenamed Dragon will be launched as a Reno 5F in Asia, A94 in Europe, and F19 in India. The Reno 5F was teased by Oppo Kenya last week and will be launched on a March 22 or 26, but there is no word on when the F19 will arrive. However, Oppo will introduce the F19 Pro and 19 Pro Plus 5G in India on a March 8 with a punch hole display and a quad rear camera. The former is said to be 5G variant of the Oppo F19 in India. So let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this smartphone, the pricing, and this is a new Oppo A94. Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.